those of you that don't follow this channel is all about renting out tents and teaching people about the event industry. But if you just came across this for seeing how to set up a 10x10 pop-up, I bought this 10x10 pop-up for my event rental company. I was against 10x10s pop-up tents because I thought they were chintzy and cheap, but I found a company that sells like a really amazing one. The one you'll see in the video is a commercial one. It is from Euramax. They sell ones that are not as expensive and commercial, and I'll put some links for that in the description. They're by far the best pop-up tents I ever bought. Or no, I haven't, this is the first one I bought, but that I've ever seen. Every other one is chintzy. The legs kind of like bow out. They're gonna fall apart real quick. These ones are made to last. They are more expensive, way more expensive than like a $50 one at Walmart or Dick's Sporting Goods or Bass Pro Shops or something. I do have another video of it where I show how you can set it up with one person. I will link that in the description as well. But this is with 3 people. We had 3 people out on the road today, and we set it up in less than 2 minutes. So the 2 other guys never set one up, so they kind of were messing up a little bit. Like one kid put the leg too high at first. They just didn't know what to do. So it took less than 2 minutes. It'll take even less than that. It'll take a minute and a half next time. But anyway, here's the video. Okay, so we got hey Timmy, just stay for the 10x10. We got, yeah, for the video. So right now we got a 10x10. You can set this up with one person, but today we got 3 people. So we're gonna see how crazy fast this goes. Okay. Roll it. All right.
Go all the way up. Nah, the legs extend.
Gotta get these down. And then you see these, Timmy? Right here. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Right. That's it. And then with your foot, with the 2 stakes out the corner. Okay, there we go, 10x10, super easy. That took less than 2 minutes. I rent this out for 65 bucks, so it's not like worth that much, but super, super quick. So yeah, that's the 10x10 pop-up. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description for the non-commercial ones, which the non-commercial ones are still really good. Mine was like $700-800, but it's like really heavy duty. You're not gonna need that for everyday use. But the non-commercial ones are still really heavy duty, much more than any other brand out there that you're gonna find. I really like that the legs are straight. I like that it always folds back up perfectly and goes back in its case that has wheels. Everything about it is miles ahead of any other pop-up tent you're going to find. If you're not a commercial tent company, you don't really need the commercial one. I just want commercial because the tent's going to be up for a few days, and I just want to make sure it's the best possible that I could get. If you're just using this for camping, or if you're a vendor on the street doing your crafts or food or whatever, or just want it in your backyard, Uramax is the way to go. I was really against 10 by 10 pop-ups for a commercial tent company. I thought they were kind of chintzy and cheesy, and they are if you get the chintzy cheesy ones. But this Uramax one is professional looking, it's strong, and important, it's easy to set up and take down and store away. Thanks for watching.